To help manage employees in an ever-growing modern company, a powerful and flexible time attendance system is quite critical. HikCentral Professional can exactly help you here. In the office scenario, with the time attendance application of HikCentral Professional, Coco, the HR manager, can easily assign shift schedules for staffs of different roles. When the engineer John arrives at the office, he can check in and open the door at the same time with his badge or fingerprint. After a busy working day, it is time to leave. John can easily check out via face recognition. By the end of the month, when Coco is going to check the attendance reports and make the monthly payroll, she can easily get overview and detailed information with various predefined report templates. And she can even customize a report by herself. Coco also needs to handle the abnormal attendance status applications from employees who forget to check out. After confirming the situation, she can correct the abnormal attendance status via HikCentral Professional with ease. The corrected data will be updated and transmitted to third-party systems in real time to realize integrated management. Besides the office scenario, the flexible attendance solution of HikCentral Professional also perfectly satisfy the needs of industrial parks, factories, and more. HikCentral Professional, versatile security in one platform.